Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So here I'm going to introduce new subject for this year and it is subject computer. So before explaining your first chapter of computer subject, I would like to welcome you all in class 3 and the computer class. So here is chapter number 1, parts of a computer. This chapter is from IT Beans, the book name. This book you already bought and you have it. And I take this chapter from this book only. So, children, what is the chapter name? Parts of a computer. Do you know the parts of computer? Is anybody give me the name of parts of a computer? Yes? Okay. I'm telling you that parts of computer name. First, monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. These four are main parts of a computer. Now more things we have to learn about parts of computer in this chapter. So are you ready, children? Yes? Let's begin this chapter. Computer is an amazing machine that can do different type of work. Do you know that which type of work computer can do? And that's why it can call as an amazing machine. Do you know any type of work which computer can do? Computer can do lots of work, different types of work. Not a single work, but different types of work computer can do. Let's see which work computer can do. First thing, we can play games on a computer. Okay, we can play games not only in mobile phone but also in computer also. Next, we can draw picture in computer. Obviously, you all are aware with it that you can draw picture in a computer system. So you can draw a picture or pictures in a computer system. We can write letters. You want to write letters in a computer system to anybody, then you can write letters in computer system. We can listen to music. You want to hear music, your poem, your any lessons, okay, then you can listen it in a computer system. It means listen to music or poem, anything. Check spellings. You can check spellings in a computer system. If you write down wrong spelling, that computer give you the correct spelling also. So if you want to know the correct spelling, then check spelling option available in a computer system. So with the help of computer system, you can check spellings. Store information. You can store so many information in a computer system. It allows you memory to store information in it, just like in our phone. We store many things in our phone like photos, videos, movies, everything, right? And in a phone there is a memory, that's why we can store in it. That's way in a computer system also have a memory which allow us to store information in it. You can store just like mobile phone, like photos, videos, music, your poem, your file, folder, everything in a computer system. You can do calculation on it. If your teacher give you any mathematical sum and if you don't want to count it on your finger, you can do calculation in a computer system. It will give you the correct, 100% correct and accurate answer and faster answer. Okay, so this type of all work we can do on a computer system. Understood everyone? Let's go on next topic. In the previous class, we have learned the use of computers in different fields. They are used almost in every sphere of life. Let us review some of this area. Means that last year you learned where computer used. So computer used in a different places. Even they are used almost at every place, even almost a sphere of our life. Let's revise it where computer used. So you can see the computers in an office. It used in office for office work. You can see computer system in space research center. For a space research, computer is used in a space research center. You can see computer in a hospital also for medical checkup. In a hospital, computer is used. You can see computer for designing, means you use it for designing a cartoon, designing one image, designing photo, anything you can design in a computer. You can use or see computer at a defense place. Defense place means army's place for safety of country. You can see computer system in a bank for banking purpose. Their computer is used for a banking purpose. Now, computer is used for creating animated movies. Means this type of animated movies like Simba or Lion King or Ice Age or any dinosaurs movie or any kind of movie you watch as cartoon movies you watch in a TV or in your phone anywhere, it is made by computer system only, and we call it animated movies. We can see computer system at airport. At airport for ticket booking, for traffic control of air systems, and that all purpose at airport computer system is used. So let's start with a next topic. So understood where computer is used and for which purpose computer is used. Now next topic is a computer is one of the greatest invention of mankind. Obviously it is the greatest invention of mankind because it make our life easy. You can do any kind of work faster and accurate, means correct, with the help of computer system. So that's why we can call it that a computer is the one of the greatest inventions of mankind. How it's work? So it works at a very high speed. Just right now I told you that it works very high speed. It means it gives you faster result and performs the following functions only. This 4 functions only computer can perform. First is input. First of all, each and every time all process is done with these steps only. In anyone, at any place, whatever the purpose computer is used, they also have to follow this all 4 steps each and every time. Input accepts data given by the user, means that the computer get the input from the user, means हम कंप्यूटर को input देंगे, means computer accept data given by a user. Second step, processing, works on data according to the instruction. Processing means that whatever the data is there, it's start processing on that data. Output, after completing processing, it gives the desired result to you on a monitor screen. storage. After you get the result means output, if you want to store that result or a output, store the information according to our need. So computer store that information, whatever the result you get, and if you want to store information in computer, so computer store that information according to our need. So remember this thing, that input, processing, output, this is the main function of the computer system, and on this function only computer work each and every time at every place. I give you one fact file. Charles Babbage. Do you know Charles Babbage? Charles Babbage is regarded as the father of computer. Why we call him father of computer? Because he is the person only who start inventing model of computer system. So we consider Charles Babbage as the father of computer. Clear everyone? This is a one fact file for you all. Now the function. Which function computer work on it? Input, process and output. Let's see how input work. So the data and instruction which we entered using a keyboard or a mouse, we can enter using a keyboard or a mouse into a computer is called input. So definition clear everyone? That the data and instruction which we enter using a keyboard or a mouse into a computer is called input. Let's another thing. What we can input in a computer? So we can input numbers, words, pictures or a sound as an input. It means that you can enter number, word, picture or a sound into a computer system as an input. Processing. After entering data and instruction in a computer, the CPU works on the input to give a meaningful information. This is called processing, and processing is done into CPU. Clear everyone? So after entering data and instruction in a computer, the CPU work on the input to give a meaningful information, and this is called processing. Now, next function is last function, which is output. When the data is processed in a CPU to give useful information, it is known as output. And this output you can display, means computer display on a monitor screen. Okay everyone? So this input process output, in a short form we call it IPO cycle, can be understood with the help of one example. Okay, that how it work. Let us see one example here. That suppose you want to calculate the total marks of different subject on a computer system. See how the processing take place in a computer. First of all, we have to take input. As an input, here is a number 90, 85, 69, 98, 76, 84 and plus sign. Means each and every time you have to press plus sign. Data and instruction. The first step is to input data and instruction like a marks and plus symbol into a calculator. In which calculator, just like in a picture you can see, the number is entered using a keyboard or a mouse. You have to press 90 plus 85 plus 69 plus 98 plus 76 plus 84. Whenever you enter this thing in a computer, means you are inputting this number into a computer with the help of keyboard and mouse. Processing start. What processing start? working on the data on the basis of given instruction. क्या instruction दी है? We want addition of this all number. Then how you get the output? So at the end, whenever you place is equal to sign, computer start processing and give you result like 502. This is called output. This way, input, processing and output process work. Clear everyone? Let's see one live example of our life. That what step does your mother take when she prepare a cup tea? Means this input, process and output function we apply in our daily routine, daily life also. Suppose here is one example we take that if our mother want to make a tea, what step does your mother take? So as an input, mother take water, tea leaves, milk and sugar. For the processing, it's say boil water, tea leaves, milk and sugar at the same time. And as an output, you get prepared 1 cup of tea. Clear? This is your daily routine. In that one also input, process and output functions applied. Now next one more example I giving to you. That what do you do when you want to talk to your friend on a telephone? Means if you want to talk to your friend, what you will do? So as an input, you dial the number. Whatever your friend phone number is there, you dial it. Processing, connecting to the number, means it's ringing or inside. It's connecting. It means that it is connecting with the number. Whenever you dial input with the help of input thing, you dial the number. Then processing start on it, means it's connecting number. And as an output, you talk to your friend. This is our daily life examples. Clear with this extra example how computer work on input, process and output? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. So here today video going to over. Next time I will come with more interesting topics with this video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye everyone.